Okay, now we're walking into our sorting room. So the clothing that comes in every day from 46 South Main Street in Pittsford comes over here, and we have a team usually of 4 ladies who stand here all day and they sort through. Here's some that came in from another way. So they sort all day and they pull out the clothes that are in excellent condition. We don't keep anything that's stained or ripped or has holes or is dirty or anything like that. And then they sort them into bins over here, okay? So these are all the bins of all the different categories we have. And then overflow of some of our used winter coats stay in here because they just take up a lot of room. And then the ladies who work in each of the rooms come down here and grab their bins each day and then put the stock out in the rooms. Then down here, this is the baby section. So this is all stuff for when we do a baby setup. So when we have a baby that's going to be born, we give them a new crib. And then if we have it, a changing table, a rocker. If we have a rocker, those items are kept in our warehouse. And then in here, we do a setup for that baby. So what we'll do, and you'll see how everything is incredibly well organized. This is the girl section here. So if the girl's being born, say, let's say November 1st. So we would probably give her, these are sorted into packs. So these are outfits. So this is an outfit of, looks like 5 outfits here. And then these are sleepers. So we would give probably 6 of those packs of 0 to 3 and 3 to 6 and probably 6 to 9. Okay, so we want to give enough stuff that that baby can get through several seasons. And then we give blankets and we give crib sheets. We give, I'm coming over here. So this is the boy section. Sorry, I'm going a little fast. We give a baby carrier. This is all boys. We give little shoes. These are little baby shoes here. We give diapers and wipes and baby shampoo. That's over here. We give newborn hats and towels. We give baby socks. These are more crib sheets, and those are onesies. And then if we have it, because somebody's donated it, we'll give like a bouncy. These are all checked before we give them out to make sure they're not recalled and that they work. So we'll give a bouncy seat, baby seat, extra saucer if we have it, a stroller. That, you know, this inventory changes all the time just depending on what people donate. If there's an older child, we'll give a pack and play. We give little toys for the babies as well. We give baby gates. So it just kind of depends on what inventory we have on hand. And then we also give coats as well for babies 0 to 24 months. And we also give dresses. These are all little dresses for babies 0 to 24 months, and they're all hung up and ready to go. And so it's really easy to put together a setup, because often we're putting up a setup very quickly, because maybe somebody will come to shop and they'll be visibly pregnant, and we'll get them a baby setup so that they're ready to go when that baby is born. So anyway, this is our sorting room. This is a very busy place every day. And we're going to head over next to the men's and children's room.